Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about something very common that all of us do every day, that is yawning. Yawning is something we usually do when we feel tired, sleepy, or bored. When we yawn, we open our mouth wide, take a deep breath, and then slowly breathe out. It looks simple, but scientists believe yawning actually has important functions in our body. Like our reason we yawn is to help our brain stay cool and stay relaxed. According to a theory called the brain cooling hypothesis, when we yawn, we take in a large amount of air. This cool air may help reduce the temperature of the brain and keep it working efficiently. The another investigation thing about yawning is that it is contagious. When we see someone else yawn, we often feel the urge to yawn too, right? Even reading or thinking about yawning can make us yawn. Scientists believe this may be connected to empathy and social bonding in humans. Yawning is not only seen in humans, even many animals also yawn, including dogs, cats, and even monkeys also. This shows that yawning is a natural behavior that has existed for a long time in many species. So, yawning may look like a small and simple action, but it is actually a fascinating process that helps our brain stay active and connected. So, the next time you yawn, remember that your body might just be trying to refresh your brain. So, thank you. We will meet in our next video.